The concert is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the concert. I'm pretty sure you're going to have a very lovely evening. Thank you.
Hurry, hurry, the concert's about to begin. Come on, let's go. So many friends are coming. There's gonna be an amazing concert and beautiful music.
I even heard there'll be lots of surprises. Then we really can't be late. Let's go.
Wow, what a grand concert. I heard all the animals and children will be there. I want to go too.
But I feel a little shy. Can we just stay here and watch for now? Okay, let's sit here and watch together.
The concert's almost about to begin. Look, there's such a huge curtain here.
What do you think is behind it?
Should we open it together? 1, 2, 3, pull!
Huh? Why isn't it moving?
What do you really think is behind it?
Should we